Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top mistakes to avoid when selling your home. Look, selling your home is a big deal. It's probably the biggest financial transaction you'll ever make. And because of that, you want to make sure you're getting top dollar for your property. But there are some common mistakes that many sellers make that can end up costing them thousands. Stay tuned to ensure you get the best deal possible. One of the biggest mistakes sellers make is overpricing their home. It's a common pitfall that can have serious consequences. I get it. You love your home. You've probably poured your heart and soul and your savings into making it your own. Every corner of your house holds a story, a memory, a piece of your life. You've probably got great memories there and you think it's worth every penny, and then some. Maybe it's where you raised your kids, celebrated holidays, or hosted countless gatherings with friends and family. But the truth is, the market determines the price of your home, not your emotional attachment to it. The real estate market is driven by data, trends, and buyer demand, not personal sentiment. When you overprice your home, you're essentially setting yourself up for failure. It can lead to frustration and disappointment as your home lingers on the market. Buyers, and more importantly their real estate agents, are savvy. They come prepared with knowledge and research, ready to make informed decisions. They're looking at comparable properties in your area, and they know what a fair price is. They have access to the same market data and trends that your agent does. So, if your home is overpriced, it's going to stick out like a sore thumb. It will be glaringly obvious to potential buyers that your asking price is not in line with the market. Think about it from a buyer's perspective. They're on a mission to find the best value for their money. They're scrolling through listings, comparing prices, and looking for the best value. They have a budget and want to make sure they're getting the most for their investment. And when they see your home priced significantly higher than similar properties, they're going to assume one of two things. Either you're delusional or you're desperate. Neither impression is going to work in your favor. Neither of those are good looks for a seller. It can make buyers wary and hesitant to even consider your property. In fact, overpricing can actually make your home harder to sell, even if you lower the price later on. The initial high price can leave a lasting negative impression. That's because when a home sits on the market for too long, it becomes stale. It loses its appeal and urgency. Buyers start to wonder what's wrong with it. They may think there are underlying issues that aren't immediately apparent. They might assume that there are hidden problems that are keeping other buyers away. This suspicion can be hard to overcome. So how do you avoid overpricing your home? The answer lies in trusting the expertise of your real estate agent. It's simple. Listen to your real estate agent. They have the experience and knowledge to guide you through the pricing process. A good agent will do their research and give you a realistic assessment of what your home is worth in the current market. They'll provide you with a comprehensive market analysis. They'll look at things like recent sales data, current inventory, and market trends to come up with an accurate valuation. This data-driven approach ensures that your home is priced competitively. Remember, pricing your home correctly from the get-go is crucial to attracting buyers and getting the best possible price. It sets the stage for a successful sale. Don't let your emotions get in the way of making a smart financial decision. Trust the process, trust your agent, and you'll be on your way to a successful home sale. Alright, let's talk about another major mistake that could be costing you money: neglecting repairs. Look, I know that not everyone is a DIY enthusiast, and tackling a long list of repairs can seem daunting, especially when you're already busy with the process of selling your home. It's easy to feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of tasks that need to be done, and sometimes, it might feel like you just don't have the time or energy to deal with them all. But trust me, ignoring those leaky faucets and peeling paint can seriously hurt your chances of getting a good offer. These seemingly minor issues can add up and create a negative impression on potential buyers. First impressions matter, and when potential buyers walk into your home, you want them to see a well-maintained property that's move-in ready. A home that looks like it's been taken care of can instill confidence in buyers, making them feel more comfortable with their decision to make an offer. Think about it. Would you be excited to buy a home with a leaky roof, cracked foundation, or outdated electrical system? These are major red flags that can scare away even the most interested buyers. Probably not. And neither would your potential buyers. They're looking for a home that's ready to move into without having to worry about immediate repairs or maintenance issues. Neglecting repairs can create a negative perception of your home, making buyers think that it hasn't been properly cared for. This can lead them to question what other issues might be lurking beneath the surface. They might start to imagine all sorts of hidden problems lurking beneath the surface, and that can lead to lower offers or even worse, no offers at all. Buyers want to feel confident that they're making a good investment, and visible signs of neglect can seriously undermine that confidence. Now, I'm not saying you need to do a complete gut renovation before you put your home on the market. That would be both time-consuming and expensive. But addressing those obvious repairs is crucial. Simple fixes can go a long way in making your home more appealing to buyers. Think about things like patching holes in the walls, fixing leaky faucets, replacing broken appliances, and sprucing up the landscaping. These small improvements can make a big difference in how buyers perceive your home. These small improvements can make a big difference in how buyers perceive your home. A fresh coat of paint, for example, can make a room look new and inviting. Replacing old, worn-out fixtures with modern ones can give your home a more updated feel. And here's the thing. Even if you're not bothered by certain repairs, potential buyers might be. What you see as a minor inconvenience, they might see as a major issue. For example, that creaky floorboard that you've gotten used to might be a deal breaker for someone else. Or that outdated bathroom that you've been meaning to renovate could be the reason why a buyer decides to go with another property. Or that outdated bathroom that you've been meaning to renovate could be the reason why a buyer decides to go with another property. Buyers often have a vision of their perfect home, and if your property doesn't align with that vision, they might move on to the next option. Remember, you want to present your home in the best possible light, and that means addressing any repairs that could deter potential buyers. A little effort now can save you a lot of trouble later. It's an investment that can pay off big time when you receive strong offers and sell your home quickly. By taking the time to address these issues, you're not only making your home more attractive to buyers, but you're also increasing its value. So, take a look around your home, make a list of the repairs that need to be done, and start tackling them one by one. Your future self and your bank account will thank you. Alright, you've set the right price, you've taken care of those pesky repairs, and now it's time to get your home in front of potential buyers. But how do you make sure your home stands out in a crowded market? Simply listing your home on the MLS isn't enough. You need a comprehensive strategy to attract the right buyers. In today's competitive market, you need to go above and beyond to make your home stand out. This means leveraging every tool at your disposal to create a compelling and attractive listing. Think of it this way, you're essentially competing with every other home for sale in your area, and you need to make sure yours grabs the attention of potential buyers. It's not just about being seen, it's about being remembered. That's where effective marketing comes in. A well-thought-out marketing plan can make all the difference. First and foremost, you need high-quality photos. These images are often the first impression potential buyers will have of your home. Remember those amazing photos of food you see on Instagram that make you drool? Well, you want your home's photos to have the same effect on potential buyers. They should be so captivating that buyers can't help but click on your listing. High-quality photos can make your home look more appealing and inviting. They can highlight the best features of your home and make it stand out from the competition. Hire a professional photographer who specializes in real estate photography. They'll know how to use lighting, angles, and staging to showcase your home in the best possible light. This investment can pay off significantly in attracting more potential buyers. They'll know how to use lighting, angles, and staging to showcase your home in the best possible light. This can make a huge difference in how your home is perceived. Next, consider creating a virtual tour. This allows potential buyers to explore your home from anywhere in the world. In today's digital age, buyers expect to be able to tour homes from the comfort of their own couch. A virtual tour can provide a comprehensive view of your home, making it easier for buyers to imagine themselves living there. A virtual tour allows potential buyers to experience your home as if they were actually walking through it. They can explore every room, get a feel for the layout, and see how the space flows. They can get a feel for the layout, the flow, and the overall vibe of your home. This can be a powerful tool in helping buyers make a decision. And don't underestimate the power of social media. It's a great way to reach a large audience quickly and efficiently. Share your home's listing on your personal social media accounts and encourage your friends and family to share it as well. The more people who see your listing, the better your chances of finding the right buyer. You never know who might be looking for a new home or who might know someone who is. Social media can help you reach potential buyers who might not have seen your listing otherwise. Finally, make sure your home's listing is compelling and informative. A well-written description can make a big difference in attracting potential buyers. Highlight the key features and benefits of your home, and use descriptive language that paints a picture in potential buyers' minds. Describe the lifestyle that comes with living in your home. Remember, you're not just selling a property, you're selling a lifestyle. Help potential buyers envision themselves living in your home and enjoying all it has to offer. By investing in effective marketing, you'll increase the visibility of your home and attract more potential buyers, which can lead to a faster sale and a higher sale price. So, take the time to create a comprehensive marketing plan and watch as your home stands out in the market. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on home selling and real estate. We've got tons of great content coming your way to help you navigate the exciting, yet sometimes overwhelming world of real estate. See you next time.